I am just showing what vegetarian people eat, what vegetarian people buy, you know. Because sometimes some people are commenting also to my video saying how I live without meat, how I live without fish, something like that. But anyways, you know, we are living well without meat, without fish. Ayan. And I respect the people, you know, even I am watching their videos, their contents of cooking, something like that. And I respect all, you know, because before converting into vegetarian, I eat all also. So I respect what the contents of people or what they are cooking or something like that. Ayan. Si Silea, matagal wala kaya tang long video si Silea. Ayan, 11 visitors in the house. Marami pong salamat sa support. Ayan, 15 minutes more and we will end up. Kasi 5:30 ang pasok ko. Nagkakape na ako para ano. So, 15 minutes more. Ayan, ano kasi 10 to 12 minutes ang ano lakad mula dito hanggang doon sa lola ko. So, ayan. Actually, whole vlogs feel interesting. Yes, Linta, I feel that also, you know. It's like I wanted to share, especially the prices of the fruits and vegetables we have here because they know some people are asking, how about the fruits and the vegetables, you know. So mostly on my whole vlogs, I am sharing what I buy. I think mostly fruits and vegetables. Ayan, nagpaharang siya. Tartaleta. Ayan. How is the weather in Spain? Here it's sunny now and I think we are 10 to 12 degrees today. 10 to 12 degrees. Ayan. Is it snowing in your place, Linta? Ayan, 13 visitors in the house. Thank you so much. CCAJ, salamat. Ayan. Uy, parang nag-iikot ako. Ako ba ang nag-iikot o parang nag-iikot siya? Ano ba to? Naka-ano kasi naka-data yung isang phone ko kaya doon sa isang cellphone ko na naka-data, iikot siya. ¿Tienes sueño? Un poco. Yeah, ay, ma, oh, it's colder there in your place than here. You know, Linta, here it's not snowing. We are near the Mediterranean Sea, so it's rarely snow here. Kuya Ade, what's the time now there? You're still awake. Gising ka pa dyan, Kuya Ade, matulog ka na. Gabi na, may multo. May multo dyan, Kuya Ade, matulog ka na dyan. Actually, whole blogs feel interesting. Yes, it's interesting, you know. But mostly, perhaps I'm going to share again mostly fruits and vegetables. But what I buy in the supermarket, perhaps I won't share it anymore because sometimes I think people are not well when we show what we buy in the supermarket. But I am thinking of sharing only the prices of fruits and vegetables, you know.